Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the printer is not printing multiple copies on Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So before anything else, check your printer. Do you have enough paper? Try restarting it and then also try checking its settings, because even if the settings are fine on your computer, if they are not right on your printer, it will not print multiple pages. Now here's one trick that I try opening a separate app like Excel. Okay, type any word here and then click on file and then try printing it. Okay, check if it prints this page multiple pages, change it to copies to, and just for test try check if it will print multiple copies. If it does not, if it does not print multiple copies with Excel, then the issue is with the system, otherwise it is with Word. Now if it is with Word, then click on file and then select print and then change the number of copies and make sure that they are right. If the issue is with the system, then here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. Okay, and then you can obviously update the printer driver. So search for device manager and open device manager. Okay, and now you can go to the print queues driver and then right click and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.